Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, how is it going? I'm Teacher Hidayah. We meet again. Are you ready for English Year 4 lesson number 5? Let's get started. Welcome to class. Today's lesson, we are going to look at language art, Anthology of Poems, Holiday Memories. Are you ready? If you are, ready your Anthology of Poems book and turn to page 40. Let's listen to the poem first. Holiday Memories. When I was on a holiday, I went to Timbuktu. I wrestled with a jaguar and boxed a kangaroo. I journeyed into jungles. I swam the deepest sea. I climbed the highest mountain and a monkey puzzle tree. I chatted to a seagull. I met a big baboon. I floated on a moonbeam until I reached the moon. I visited the planets. I lit up all the stars. I gossiped to a parrot traveling to Mars. I sailed across the ocean. I drove a greyhound bus. I rode across the desert on a hippopotamus. I heard a mermaid singing. I fought a killer shark. I grappled with a grizzly in a wild safari park. I chased a band of pirates completely round the bend. And now the summer's over, and so is this the end. Did you enjoy the poem? Now let's look at understanding the lesson about the poem. Do you know what the poem is about? The poem is about the writer's adventures during his imaginary holiday. Some of the adventures were wrestling a jaguar, boxing a kangaroo, reaching the moon, traveling to Mars, and grappling a grizzly bear. The message of the poem is to be imaginative and adventurous. What about you? Do you have your own imaginary holiday? Next, let's discuss and analyze together. What animal can you see in the picture? What is the boy doing? Picture number 1. The boy boxed a kangaroo. So what animal? Yes, a kangaroo. Picture number 2. What animal is in the picture? Yes, monkey. There are 2 monkeys in the picture. So what is the boy doing? He climbed a monkey puzzle tree. Yes, correct. Picture number 3. What is the boy doing? The boy floated on a moonbeam until he reached the moon. So this is the moon. Picture number 4. What animal is this? Yes, this is a parrot. And the boy gossiped to the parrot traveling to Mars. Have you been to Mars? Picture number 5. What animal is this? Yes, this is hippopotamus. Do you know what is hippopotamus is? What is the boy doing? He rode a hippopotamus across the desert. Have you been to a desert before? Look at picture number 6. What animal is this? Yes, this is a bear. What is the boy doing? He grappled with a grizzly bear. Last picture, picture number 7. What is the boy doing? Yes, he chased a band of pirates. Do you know what a pirate is? Okay, well done. So, is everything clear so far? If yes, let's continue to activity time. Look at this 7th stanza. So what we need to do now is to match each stanza to the correct pictures. I give you 2 minutes to read through all the stanzas before we match to the pictures. Okay, now are you ready? So which stanza do you think is number 1 for picture number 1? Yes, this stanza. When I was on holiday, I went to Timbuktu. I wrestled with a jaguar and boxed a kangaroo. Okay, now, which do you think is number 2? Yes, this one. I journeyed into jungles. I swam the deepest sea. I climbed the highest mountain and a monkey puzzle tree. Next, number 3. Yes, this stanza. I chatted to a seagull. I met a big baboon. I floated on a moonbeam until I reached the moon. Stanza number 4. Yes, correct. This is stanza number 4. I visited the planets. I lit up all the stars. I gossiped to a parrot traveling to Mars. Stanza number 5. This one is stanza number 5. I sailed across the ocean. I drove a greyhound bus. I rode across the desert on a hippopotamus. Stanza number 6. I heard a mermaid singing. I fought a killer shark. I grappled with a grizzly in a wild safari park. Last stanza. Yes, this one. I chased band of pirates completely round the bend, and now the summer's over, and so is this the end. Good job, everyone. So, your task. Now it is your turn to create a video of you reciting the poem with action and send the video to the Telegram group. Can you do that? I'll be waiting. So that's all for today's lesson. Thank you for joining my lessons today. I hope to see you again next week. Bye. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.